I found this really cool old, real vintage one from the 1970s, 60s, 70s. So these are really cool, and I thought that would be great to work in for my December daily, art daily project. And I will try to do art every day this month. Just small bits and pieces. I'm gonna skip one page. First, I'm gonna ink up my stamp. Oops. And it came out of a very old planner that I had, and she cut it out there. So there are all kinds of beautiful pieces in there. Just wanted to add a piece of metal. This one. And I want to cut it in half, I think. This is pretty cool. So I'm cutting it in half because half of it you won't see anyways. And that way I can use it twice. So I might add some text, maybe a book text phrase or something, and I'm thinking about a number for each day, but I'm not really sure about that. first I thought I would use this, and I really love the color, but then I found this in my stash. And Sunday was just a day where we stayed at home. It was really yucky. It was raining a lot, so we sat by the fire and we drank tea, hanging around by the fire, reading books and that sort of stuff. I think that will work out great. Don't know where it came from, but I love that I can use up all my stuff. I stamped this one out, and it's kind of, we were sitting in a chair, and I'm going for that. I have a little bucket piling over because it's absolutely cramped and full. There's all kinds of stuff in there, or maybe I decided not to use this, so this goes into the bucket. You get the idea. Let's see where I need to put this. So I'm only gluing in the middle. So if I find anything that I want to add, I can stick it under. Okay. Oh wait. See what else is in my bucket. How about this? Ooh, that's cool. It gives a homey feel. Kind of like that. Oops. Should I color it or not? I thought I could do my dates on there and do something on top of every page. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and see you back with my next video. Bye bye.